Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox VR on mobile. First, you'll need a compatible mobile VR headset, like a Google Cardboard or a more advanced standalone unit. Next, confirm your smartphone meets the necessary specifications for both Roblox and VR applications, including sufficient RAM and processing power. Finally, a strong, stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, is essential for seamless gameplay and to avoid any frustrating lag or disconnections. Once you have your hardware ready, the next step is to prepare your mobile device. Begin by downloading and installing the official Roblox application from your device's respective app store. Then, depending on your VR headset, you might need to install a dedicated companion application to manage settings and calibrate your view. Lastly, check your phone's display settings to ensure brightness and resolution are optimized for an immersive virtual reality experience. With your device prepared, it's time to dive into Roblox VR. Open the Roblox app and browse for games that explicitly support virtual reality. Once you've chosen a game, carefully insert your mobile phone into your VR headset, ensuring it's securely seated. The game should then prompt you to enter VR mode, guiding you through any final calibration steps before you can fully immerse yourself in the Roblox metaverse. To truly maximize your Roblox VR experience, consider these helpful tips. Always play in a clear, open space, free from any potential hazards, to ensure your physical safety. Remember to take frequent breaks, perhaps every 15 to 20 minutes, to rest your eyes and prevent any discomfort or motion sickness. Lastly, using a good pair of headphones will significantly enhance the immersive audio, making your virtual adventures even more engaging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.